Yeah, man. Your boy got a package. What's poppin', beautiful people up in YouTube land? I put the 3G value, you feel me? And this vid right here is very special to me because for, I would say maybe like 3 years now, been looking at these shoes, bro. It's a very special shoe because these probably like by far the ugliest shoes I'm probably gonna show on this channel, bro. I always say this because Bull say this. My son Bull always say a shoe can be ugly and you can love it, bro. And I agree with that 110% because these are a masterpiece, man. And I know some of y'all gonna be like, ew, you wild, but I don't care. But first off, why is the box in just paper, bro? What is going on? My man's just being very creative, bro. I'm from the hub, bro. I'm surprised this thing gets scooped up. But fun fact about this shoe, bro, is that, bro, when I was working at Reebok, I'm gonna give it hints. Sarah, I just gave you a hint there what it is. I was working at Reebok, bro. I was very, what was that word I was looking for a better term? Spoiled when it came to sneakers over there because I would wait to get the 50. I get the 50. When you work there, you get the 50 off from there and Adidas. But I think like in the beginning of every month, you would get like 60 off. But these sneakers in particular only released online. At the time, bro, Reebok wasn't really releasing, they wasn't really focusing on classics like they are doing now. Yeah, 2017 was a different time. But I was like, you know what, I'm gonna wait, because online, you could get the 60 online, but you gotta wait till like Christmas time. Bro, I waited, even shit's hard to take out. I waited, and boy, they was sold out, bro. Like, I could've got them for 70 when they was on sale. And then, but I was like, nah, I want to get that drink for like 50. But I'm tight. Either way, man, bro, this shit is just like dumb hard. It's like opening up a Christmas present. But I'm happy right now. It just took a very long time, longer than it should have been. But as you can see, got half of it open. It is a Reebok Classic.
¿Esos son Reebok o son Nike?
¿Esos son Reebok o son Nike?
Sí.
¿Será esta, brother?
Esa misma, bro, esa misma es. Esa es.
And you should already know what these are, man. Like,
He needs some milk.
oh my god. Yo, these things are crazy, bro. I seen these one time on my boy Kylan. He had another one that got mad Mr. Punch, bro. I might actually put him on my channel, bro. Show his collection. His collection is crazy, bro. But yeah, he was the only one I seen with these, bro. But yeah, bro, look and behold the Instapump Grinch, bro. Now, to anybody, you know, just new to my channel, bro, I love Instapump, bro. You can see in the back, love Instapump. So this was like a no-brainer for me to add this to the collection, bro. This is definitely an eye popper, bro. You see somebody walking down the street, you probably like, what the fuck are those, bro? What are those, bro? Niggas want to cut your ass. At the same time, ask questions, cause like yo, this is fire, bro, but they want to cut your ass too, like, but yo, bro, I'm dumb hype, bro. You don't understand, bro? It's been like 3 years in the making. I finally got them. Got these on like eBay. Somebody from Australia. I noticed a lot of my sneakers, bro, I get from Australia. Like a lot of my Instapumps, they from overseas because legit, one thing about Instapumps, they don't get rare. Like they're not like expensive or hard to get. But what happens is like through time, they're very rare. Like especially like in America, like once they sell out, you can't find them, bro. Like people buy them and they just keep them. It's not like America where like they make it like pairs and you could find them in mad places. These joints, you can't really find them that much places, bro. Like these, bro, like for a while I stopped looking because like it was like so hard to find them, bro. I've seen them for a good price, not the price that I wanted, but fuck it. It wasn't OD. So I was like, you know what? Let me get them now before like they become even more bread in the future. But yeah, man. Bro, my son got hair, bro. Son got a weave. My son got a weave. Bro, he added to the collection, bro. Added to another fuzzy person. Yeah, the fuzzy crew. We're gonna call this the fuzzy crew. He part of the fuzzy crew. My son. Let's see, so I got more. Yeah, he part of the fuzzy crew. He part of the fuzzy crew. That was the video, man. Like, comment, subscribe. You like what you've seen. Also, comment down below, Gritch. And also, let's get. I don't even did this, but I'm gonna start doing this. Let's get this likes to 10. Let's get 10 likes on this. If I get the goal to 10 likes, I'm gonna actually do a new Insta Pump collection video because that's long overdue, bro. I copped so much Insta Pump heat since I last did my video. Like, I think it was like last year. And actually, I got another one coming in that I'm fiending for too. That's actually part of the furry gang as well. He's a furry boy too. furry boy. Okay. I know. I'm about to get killed in the comments with that one. But anyways, it's your boy Gene. I'm out of here. Peace.